Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And in this short video I would like to show you walk around absolute Toyota classic. This is 1986 Toyota pickup 4-wheel drive. And these are the vehicles which made Toyota so popular, right? And so successful in the United States. There's definitely no question about it. It's a very light truck with a small 4-cylinder engine and 4-wheel drive capability. Definitely Toyota did something incredible with this, and it's a total classic and highly wanted even today in this kind of rusty and not great shape. The owner clearly says that many times when he's at the gas station or he goes to the store, many times people approach him with saying, "Hey, is it for sale? I will love to buy it for like $2,000 right now." So let's go have a really quick look in the cabin. Everything is simple, but look, it even had that sliding rear window. Here you see the logo. Everything is very simple. See the dash, hopefully. Sorry for the sun, but it's better film here in my opinion than in the shop. It's also full. There's that 4Runner. Here is the 4-wheel drive, 5-speed. It's eaten by some dog probably. Everything manual, the windows. Classic, absolute classic. I really tell you, these vehicles made Toyota so popular. And of course they age and they need a little bit of service, but in general they are bulletproof and they keep running. That was interesting today when I just drove it around the building. I saw something dripping right here. I will have to look what's going on with this. Let's go really quickly look underneath the hood. And on the way there, maybe look on those manual locking hubs. And let's just continue underneath the hood. So I checked really quickly the owner's manual, which was in the glove box. And apparently in 1986 you could have a 22R, which is carbureted version, and I'm absolutely not familiar with, so that will be really learning process for me to make this one run perfectly. Or it could be in 1986 it could be 22RE underneath the hood here, and that's the one which is has that electronic injection. And I read one of the comments when I filmed that 91 taco truck for you, that people commented, yes, these are kept for the gardening. A lot of landscapers are driving around with those. Well, this one is exactly the same. It's still plated, right? It's ready to go on the road, but it's basically being used as a property truck for hauling all kinds of stuff, either greenways or wood and so on. So absolutely identical purpose here on this one, exactly what you guys said in the comments. And really quickly, why this truck came today. So it came by itself, but it didn't want to start. So I talked to the owner on the phone. He's my friend, and he was like, well, I think it needs starter. And I listened to his problems, and the starter was actually turning over the engine. So I said, hey, try to remove that engine air filter, open it, and use a short burst of the starting fluid, like a 1 second or 2 seconds, and you will see immediately if the vehicle will start. He did that. The Toyota engine 22R immediately started and was perfectly running, and he was able to bring it to my shop. So I will be trying to figure out where is the problem. I have to check correctly the clutch switch, because when I was pushing on that, the starter will not turn whatsoever until I really push that clutch pedal all the way to the floor. So that's already something to consider. Of course, I will look on the spark plugs, which are really easy to get to. I will open this distributor and check condition of that. He also requested engine oil change. As you can see, it's very simple. Excuse me. As you can imagine, this belt, it's completely loose for alternator, right? So obviously it's not getting any maintenance. It's the first time at my shop, so I will go for him and look a little bit around to give him idea what's up with this engine and make sure it doesn't fail on him again. So that was a quick tour of Absolute Toyota Classic. I hope you enjoyed it, and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.